If you can't rank competitors, you can't prioritize strategy. Do you actually know where you stand versus your competitors, or are you just guessing? Ranking competitors based on vibes is a quick way to lose market share. Here's how to rank them using hard data. Let's turn vibes into a competitor leaderboard. Most competitors' lists are wrong. Here's, in this video, a scoring system that works, and I'm going to show you how to automate this. So, who's the real threat this quarter? Let's find out. A proper ranking tells you who to attack and who to avoid. If you chase the wrong competitor, you'll waste resources fighting a battle you can't win. You can't win all your battles, you need to pick them. You need to look at creative volume, traffic, and brand sentiment to pick your battle. And for this, I'm going to give you a scoring framework. We will rank your competitors on 4 pillars: traffic, ad, creative velocity, and customer retention. You can actually fill this out while you're watching. We'll build the model today together, send wave, and then sanity check with qualitative signals like positioning clarity and funnel strength. By the end of this video, you'll know how to watch weekly, who to watch monthly, and who you can actually safely ignore. The very first thing you need to do is to use a consistent set of metrics you can access. Traffic, engagement, socials, reviews, emails, promotions, ads, which networks. Those are data that are publicly available that you can get either manually or automatically with a platform like Panorama. Once you've collected the data, you can actually weight these metrics, score them all, and rank your competitors. Also have a good news here. Panorama does this automatically for you. You have live tables, live benchmark, live ranking of you versus your competitors on any metrics you'd like, made for you automatically. And you don't have to think about this anymore. You don't have to collect the data. You don't have to build the ranking. You can just share the data and access the real insights that lies behind. So to do this, you need to pick the metrics that match your strategy. Don't try to measure everything. If retention is important, go for the emails and the SMS. Then you need to collect and organize the data and pick sources that are public so you can actually build this analysis consistently. Then weight the metrics. Maybe SMS is more important or SEO is more important. Make sure to take this into your account, build your score, sum with weighted total, and then you have your ranking. Once you do have this ranking, you can actually turn it into actions. Set up a specific tracking cadence and then make sure to plan your response. The very first thing to do when you're looking for insights are, first, separate direct versus indirect competitors. Basically, your direct competitors have the same audience, the same solution. Indirect competitors, they're targeting people who might have the same problem, but they're offering a different solution. Rank them separately so you don't confuse threats, and you can actually rank yourself on those 2 different leaderboards. Then pick a few criteria that will match your strategy. For instance, product pricing, positioning clarity, distribution strength, pricing, brand trust, social proof, speed of execution, retention signal, amount of promotions, level of promotions, which kind of promotions they're doing. Is it mostly discount? Is it a gift with purchase? Those are the kind of signals that you should be aware of based on what's happening in your industry. Then prioritize the ranking and the metrics. If you're mostly about the growth, then distribution should be at least 50% of your score. If you're premium, then trust and differentiation and social proof might be this 50%. Giving these weights force honesty. Then score them all on a consistent scale. To keep things simple, use 1 to 5 for each criteria. Keep definitions simple. 1 is weak, 3 is okay, 5 is best in class. Write 1 sentence of evidence per score so you can defend it. Then you actually need to make some calculations. Multiply the scores by the weight and then sum them all. Then you can create 3 buckets. 1, the primary threats, the companies you should and must track weekly. Then the benchmarks. You should copy the process and maybe not the assets, but those are inspirational companies. Then the third, noise edge cases, you don't care, have a look at them sometimes. Then, and this is my favorite part, how to turn these rankings into action. For the most important one, what angles are they winning on? Which offers are they using repeatedly? Which channel is their actually core engine? And then you should pick one of these counter moves. You should change your messaging, improve your offer, improve your funnel, or pick a channel that they might ignore. Once you do this, you're able to actually target specifically each one of your competitors so you can actually outperform them. And if you don't want to go through this whole process manually, again, Panorama helps you achieve this all automatically. Helps you collect the data, rank all your competitors, compare them, get benchmarks, and get the right insights as well, so you can actually outperform them effectively and make better marketing decisions faster.